Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable eye comfort child in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. So at first swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit and then go to display option. After that go to eye comfort child. And that's it. Now by tapping here you can enable eye comfort child. If you enable eye comfort child option, then it keep your eyes comfortable by limiting blue light and using warmer colors. Using at night can make it easier to fall asleep. Now here you can see two options, adaptive and custom, and you can choose any option as you want. Now if you select custom, then you can set schedule for blue light. Here you can see three options, always on, sunset to sunrise and custom. I suggest you to set sunset to sunrise. And it's done. Also at the bottom you can see a slider, and by removing this slider you can increase or decrease your blue light color temperature, and you can set any level as you want. And it's done. And that is how you can enable eye comfort child in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.